Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is a guitar neck, and the gentleman is actually wanting a macro to place these frets. I don't know of any way to do that. So what we're going to do, I'm going to set this corner. I don't understand the second line. You know what? Let me delete that line. And if this was say the first fret, I'm going to set my ruler at that corner. So I'm going to go over here and have it snap to that node. Let me turn on my guidelines. Thought I had them turned on. Maybe I didn't grab it. There we go. Now, I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Guidelines. And I'm going to type in, see that one's at 00. I'm going to type in 35.528 and hit add. So it put another guideline in there. Then I can type in 69.061 and hit add. So it put a guideline right where it needs to be. And then it could use that for future reference. I'm going to turn off my guidelines. I also made a line that would thicker than a hairline so you could see it. My rulers are still set on 00. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that line, and I'm going to go up here and put 35.528. And then I'm going to make I'm hitting the plus key and not Control D, 69.061 and hit enter. If you Control D, it's going to put something where you don't need to be because it's not an incremental. So let's do one more. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to type in 100.713. And then for the one I'm doing this for, I don't know that maybe all guitar necks aren't the same length, and maybe the frets aren't all the same distance. I don't know of any way to do a macro, but then you could take those three lines, and if you had to place them, turn them into a hairline, and then you got those red lines to mark where your frets are going to be. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.